Pani puri blah. Just the pani puris. Para português, Filipino?
Yeah, but it's yeah. Using my hand. Good afternoon, Kausat! Welcome to my channel. We are here again, and my husband is here as well with me.
Hello guys.
So what are we gonna do today? What is special today, Mahal?
Today's specialty is pani puri. Basically, it's an Indian snack. Normally, you get it on the street. It's really famous, yeah. Really famous in India.
Yes, famous.
Yeah. You're gonna see the top Bollywood actors stopping down in the middle of the night and enjoying the pani puri. It is delicious, I would say.
Yeah, why I got the cravings to taste this, it's because I enjoyed watching Hindi movies now, and all the movies that they're showing, they're showing
one
how
shot
they
of
eat this.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I said to Shubhart, can you please just get pani puri for me, and because something like
Mouth-watering,
interesting, yeah.
Mouth-watering.
I thought it's vinegar on the first, like that sauce. Akala ko suka kakabsat, yung pala hindi. This is from Indian shop.
We got it from Indian shop. I don't know. Basically, I sent my sister to get it. Basically, you get everything, yeah. So this is all done. Only a few stuff you need to do it is mix and all this stuff. You got 30 puris, dates and tamarind paste. That's what the paste is, yeah. Which goes in the puris like that. And then you get chana potato stuffing. And the pani puri pasta.
Okay, you gonna join with us? Just me.
Y'all enjoy, guys.
Yeah.
You're special people. I hope you guys are doing good. Enjoy this.
So I have a special guest today.
Let everyone. I think I don't know if you guys know about me, but I'm like and sister-in-law, and my name is Sarah. And we have like Jolie here, special guest today. Who's gonna show us how to make pani puri. The Indian chef of pani puri.
So if you remember my sister-in-law during my Niraya's birthday, so you remember her. And you told me that she's looking so young. Yeah, she is.
You're flattering me.
Yes, and thank you for coming tonight, Sandra, and joining with me, and you as well, Jolene. And today's episode, what we're gonna do today?
Pani puri.
Pani puri.
So what is pani puri?
It's Indian traditional
Pani puri
snack.
is like an Indian originated snack in subcontinent of India. And it's like a puri hollow shape where we have like chaat masala, potatoes, onion, is it? Tamarind,
Yeah.
and chili chaat powder.
It also
It
have
consists of all these items, yeah, whatever we have.
I think this is the famous.
It's a street. It's like an Indian street food value.
Yeah.
But we have it in Goa as well.
yeah.
And it's a very popular.
In fact, this is my first time to taste this one with the help of my sister-in-law and Jolene.
And our chef Jolie.
So this one, how much is this, Sandra? You got it from Indian shop, right? So it's just for only 30 pieces, I think.
I think I paid like total £5 per 8 pence.
Yeah, £5. I think in Philippine money is like somewhere 1,500 maybe. Yan. Looks yummy. Ah, it looks nice, Sandra.
Yeah, that's
honestly,
nice.
yeah. See? Whee! Like egg trays.
And this is, I guess, the tamarind and potato
It's
chutney.
But how you call this, Sandra?
It's tamarind and potato.
It's basically potato stuffing.
Yeah, with tamarind,
Chana.
yeah.
So it's like chana stuffing.
That goes inside the puri. That's the
Yeah.
stuffing inside.
You don't need to heat it up, yeah? Just like this.
Oh no,
No,
it's like that.
And I think these are the bundis.
These are
What is this?
This is like a bundi, yeah, which
It's
goes
also
into
not
that
stuffing.
inside the stuffing. Pani puri stuffing. I think it's made up
Exciting.
of. It's made up of like the gram flour, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, basin. That's what we call it. We do that laddus and all. That's
Yeah.
what which is used.
Okay.
So this is chopped onions, pani puri water.
yeah, it's like spicy kind of.
It's like a spicy sauce, yeah.
So this one, it comes with the sauce. I call it sauce.
Normally you can make it at home, but it's a
Yeah,
long process.
it's
So I
very-
got a ready one.
Leave it. Sandra, I'll just put it here, right?
Yeah.
I think it would be easy if you put it in here.
No, I
Just
think
like
you can
that?
just not Jolene. You can
Because look, it has that hole that
You just pour it?
no,
Yeah,
Jolene,
no,
just
I
put it here inside.
But then it's gonna be
No,
harder.
it's gonna be messy.
Oh, okay. She knows better.
That's why it's like make it easier for that thing.
I think this is
Sandra, it's enough, right?
yeah, you can just put some.
Yeah, that's enough.
I think
They want people who are young.
I think that should be fine.
Best way is through TV.
So you
I
start
think
by poking a hole in the
Good,
center
whoever
of the
thought it.
pudding.
Jolene, I think like you need
It's not
to
whatever.
soak this in the water.
Like
First? Are you
Yeah,
sure?
so bundi in water
The
for
right
1 minute,
market.
drain the excess water. So that
Ah.
because it's like crispy, yeah, then it should be like a bit soft.
A bit
You
soft.
have
Okay, so I need to. It's
to.
just half.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
I just wait for you. It's like
I can't wait. So while waiting for Sandra to come back, I just want to shout out to Mom Alma Tayes. Ayan. Hello, Mom Alma. Thank you for watching. To Mom Mafe Martinez. Ayan. Hello, Mom. Shout out to Mom Mafe Martinez. Who else? To Ma'am Marie Mangawang. Ayan. From Abu Dhabi, UAE. Ayan. She's watching. To Ma'am Jocelyn Sanchez and Ma'am Jam Villanueva from Dubai. And thank you for watching, Ma'am Jam and Ma'am Jocelyn. Lastly, to Ma'am Sylvia Yamamoto from Japan. And thank you, Ma'am Sylvia, for watching. And lastly, to Ma'am Heidi Polinar. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and for downloading my video just to watch me. Thank you very much, Ma'am Heidi. Really appreciate that. Okay, say all done? Yeah, I think so. That's enough. Is this your favorite?
Yeah, that's my absolute favorite. When I go to India, I always have this.
potato.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is this
It goes, it goes with the filling.
Yeah, and then you have to mix. After
I don't know.
you have to mix this with the pani.
How you call this?
This is called like bundi. Yeah.
It's basically like
It's a basin.
you have to stop there.
Yeah.
I think we just like to stuff them first, then like
Yeah,
mix it together.
I have no idea about pani puri. Yeah. I'm doing for the first time. I'm sorry. Because I'm not like a pani puri lover, but I'm doing this for Anne. I like safe puri more.
Thank you, Sandra. And I have tissue with me because I'm speaking in English now. My nose might bleed anytime.
Okay, I'll just get one. Jolene, I'll just get one.
Yeah.
In Philippines, Jolene, if like we speak English for long,
Is it like
we say yeah, it's a saying like, oh, my nose might bleed because we don't speak English.
Alright.
Okay.
Let me have. You want to put this?
Now you put okay. Ganyan pala.
Next time we can like prepare everything at home. That's how it
I
goes.
think it's too much.
No, it has to be like that. It has to be.
Yeah, it has to be like stuff.
Oh. Let me try now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can try.
one. Is it good?
Let me see.
I don't
Taste
think-
tamarind. Lasang ano, it tastes like a, yeah, tamarind. Kind of sweet. I thought it's
Yeah,
like salty and...
It's like sweet.
This is
and
how they ate in the movie.
I think you can make it like
Is
a
it spicy?
chili this as well. Yeah, I think Jolene,
You don't add chili in this.
like a chili sauce or something to make it like bit spicy.
You can add, yeah, you can add hot.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, it's nice. It's like,
it depends. But
How does it
cracks
taste?
in your mouth.
yeah, like melting inside.
Oh.
It's nice, Sandra. I swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I think this chutney is made out of it's made of dates and
It has like
I think it's
I think it says there, like
yeah,
made of
dates and tamarind.
Yeah.
You can
I'm not
actually put like
joking,
sweet
but
chili.
yes.
Normally it goes with coriander as well, but
Yeah.
we don't like coriander.
Yeah.
So let's cut it off. Okay, let me try.
You need to put the whole thing, Sandra. You need to put the whole thing. How was it?
It's nice, yeah. It's like tangy, spicy, and
You can add like sweet chili sauce, I think, if you want it to be.
No, it's gonna be like
it will
sweet.
spoil the taste.
This is
If
like
you don't like it spicy, then
Yeah, I think it's nice, yeah.
yeah, it's nice, Sandra. I'm
Very
not
nice.
joking. Come on and taste, yeah. But let's prepare first. Then we'll ask Dominic Mommy to come and join with us. Thank you, Jolene. Ah, it's not enough. I think.
yeah, you have to put
I think it's not enough. I think here. It's all finished, yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice, yeah. Jolene,
Yeah, it's nice. I told
I
you.
think I have normally never tasted like pani puri, but
Yeah?
I think no, I like sev puri every time. Jolene, what do you like?
I love pani puri, as I said.
But I think this is the first time, yeah. It's a bit embarrassing, but it's true. But I think it's really
But
nice.
do you normally like eat in the street food when you're all in Goa?
Me,
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah?
That's the only thing
Because-
I eat when I'm in India.
Because they have like loads of flavors going in that, yeah. Because this is like ready, we don't have like much. But when you go on
Then
the street
you have to
food,
like choose.
yeah, you have like different flavors, no? They have different chutneys
Yeah,
where you can tell them to make it like hot,
spicy, mild.
spicy, medium, mild. Is that Jolene? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fun is.
Yeah,
I think everyone likes this, yeah, especially girls.
yeah.
I think this is especially for girls. I think
yeah.
this snack.
I don't think like boys enjoy much.
What you put first, Jolene? This one,
The
yeah.
stuffing, yeah.
Okay. Tulungan mo na
Oh,
sila.
wow, madam ka disturbance.
So I didn't get the chance to taste this in the street food when
It's
I went
kind
in
of
Goa.
shame and embarrassing. We being Indian, we are tasting with Anne for the first time. See.
Yeah. Mommy, you wanna taste? Nah? It's nice. I told you it's nice. Yeah. I'm not joking. Dominic, come and taste. Mahal, come and taste. It's nice, yeah.
Nice.
It
Yeah,
tastes
it's
more
nice.
when there's no
I
sauce.
feel like I'm in the Bollywood movie now. Finally, I taste this one.
Coming out.
Hey, come on, taste it.
You know they give that in a nice container, no Jolene?
How is it?
Or the paper plates, I don't know how they
You give it in a bowl.
Is there something missing there or
Yeah.
no? No?
Nice.
Nice.
But I think like whenever you do this at home, I
I don't
think
like
you
this
can do
spicy though.
more better.
Yeah, I think so.
Homemade, yeah.
Especially the
Especially
sauce.
the
I
chutney,
hate it when
sauces
it's
and everything.
spicy.
When you have that sauce no inside,
Mm.
it like melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
And the crunchy. No.
Already had
Crunchiness.
two.
Give me cookie one.
One more?
Jolene, I want more.
I will.
Make one for you.
Hey, Dominic, I'll give.
I will edit. Yeah.
I'll give to Dominic. Give.
Yes, I will edit if you don't want to. Yes, no.
Dominic.
What is this?
Yeah, it's really nice. You know, I used to feel like I was not like so this for pani puri because of the water. I think water stuff.
Okay.
That's the reason I think I never wanted to eat.
I thought the first time I saw this in the movie, I thought it's vinegar. So I said, I like that.
But I think on the street where they sell this, it's really nice.
Yeah,
they do. It's amazing.
But the only problem is
because they put like lot of flavors,
One
yeah.
more? Okay.
No, Jolene, they have loads of
The only
flavors.
problem is the water because
Yeah, but we don't have like much ingredients in this. Yeah, normally they put a lot of stuff, like tomato and all
Let's
that.
stuff it.
Yeah, they stuff it with like different fillings, and you can make it like more spicy.
Yeah, but I don't like it spicy.
Tangy and mild.
Mahal,
all flavors
see,
you can add.
come here. One more? Nagustuhan ng asawa ko. Sugars loves it, no?
Nice.
We made mess out of pani puri.
It gets a bit messy though.
Jolene is right. You just pour it like this,
Yeah.
honestly.
It's hard to get it in.
Next time we can do at home, yeah. Better one. What do you say, Julian?
I can eat at least 50, I think so.
Nice naman. Come on.
Yeah, if I'm hungry.
Sweet with your.
I'm just hiding. I'm not.
But I like
Just pass me, please.
Say
Tara, no,
Jolie.
the John.
Compared to this.
This is your girls. Girls.
I don't understand why they said this snack is for girls only,
because
Sandra.
like I don't know, but like it's a
Huh?
saying.
It's just a saying
Yeah.
or really like a
It's
tradition
like
or
a-
belief or what?
No, it's saying.
Because they said these snacks is only for girls.
No,
Doesn't
it's nothing
look
like that,
good
yeah.
for the boys.
Mostly for girls.
Because it is like tangy and girls only like all the tangy stuff. Like girls prefer all this like tamarind and all that stuff.
Ang sarap kabsat. Say kabsat to them. Hello kabsat. Say hello kabsat.
Hello, cup.
What is hello in Hindi?
Hello, boss, towel.
Namaste. Yeah, I know namaste already. Any other words apart from namaste? Good. What is good evening, or good morning in Hindi? Namaste still?
Hello, one time.
I don't know.
No, I don't know.
I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Aha, that's a shame.
Right? Yeah, Hindi is not a language.
Yeah.
Konkani.
Gori, Sakani,
Sakari.
Bori sakani onga time. No?
Kutino?
Mami? No?
No, Kutino is
Ayaw ni
Portuguese food. Fala português, Kutino? Feijão?
Shop, whereas
But
I think we can do it at home as well, yeah?
but it tastes different from like nice things. It tastes even better. Like
Yeah.
you should try when you're in India.
Oh, check.
Oh my god, they're
Thank you.
like amazing.
Yeah, I think some people do this at home, yeah? Home itself, you can get a better taste, no? Jolie?
Yeah, but it
Like
tastes
more tastier.
Yeah.
I think
Don't.
this is made of
No?
tamarind.
Yeah, I ate. Nice.
I think
You want more?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I had cake.
Ah, okay. They're having cake.
tamarind, yeah?
Yeah.
And
It
dates.
really tastes nice.
Mint.
No wonder why this is famous and very popular in India.
It has mint
Yeah,
in
it's
it.
And all Bollywood movies, yeah?
Yeah, this is like a popular snack, yeah, in India.
Yeah.
In every corner, in every state, you will get this.
Yeah, it's like because it's like street food.
And we have like in Goa as well, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just using my hand.
Yeah.
What, yeah?
You forgot. What is yummy or delicious?
We are like so nervous coming to this vlog, we forgot everything.
Why?
In this vlog.
They get so nervous and I don't
Because,
understand why.
we are like bit shy.
मतलब फालतू लोग
This is like first time, so we are not prepared. Maybe next time we'll come
They
back
are
prepared.
both looking gorgeous. Then why you need to feel shy? Yeah.
No, the thing is like next time we'll be well prepared and then we can explain briefly like everything, yeah, for the second time when we do another vlog. But now at the moment like we are very nervous and we don't know what we are doing.
No, but seriously, I really appreciate you guys here.
Because it's really
Thanks for guessing.
yeah.
Out of 36, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's 30 out of 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 is left. Okay, so basically we ate 21 pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I ate like
I ate, I think, more than 6.
I think I enjoyed.
Yeah. Ang sarap. Okay, so thank you very much for today, Kakabsat. Maraming salamat. Thank you for
that's alright.
That's fine. We also enjoyed.
Yeah, we
It
really
was a good
enjoyed it.
experience. And I think next time when we make a vlog, we come with a lot of information. It's a bit embarrassing being Indian, like we don't know much about all this. It's not the thing that we don't know, but we are a bit nervous because it's our first time, and I think
I don't understand why they're a bit nervous.
we will get something better. We'll do something better, so then you guys can have fun watching.
Yeah, it's because they keep asking about how sure I want to meet your sister-in-laws. Yeah, because they're like how we call it, inquisitive.
they
To
just
know
want
you
know,
more,
yeah,
like,
to
yeah.
get information about it.
My Indian family or my Goan family. So yeah, finally for the first time, my sister-in-law is here. She is Sandra. Yeah, and I think you already
Yeah, for Miraya's
yeah, for
birthday.
Niraya's birthday. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Maraming salamat. Do you have any
आपले biscuit
thing to
मिळाले.
say?
Well, hope you
Hope you
guys
guys
enjoyed
enjoyed
this
and please
and see that you guys please subscribe and Dalizo, she's working so hard to entertain you guys. So please like, share,
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
And thank
see
you.
you.
Then I will-
And we will see you next time with something better where we can really have fun and entertain you guys. Sorry.
Okay, and I'm just so happy because all my husband's family and my Indian family, they're very supportive for what I'm doing. See, they're all here with me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Next time we can do something very interesting, something nice.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll be full confident and not shy and all that stuff.
Okay, that's it for today. Maraming salamat kakabsat. Definitely we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye. Take care.
Take care. Have fun. See you later. Bye.